welcome to this week's video. We are going on an adventure. Carrie-Anne will have to tell you where we are going.
So we are actually going to Mapleton, which is in the Sunshine Coast hinterland. There's lots of waterfalls and creeks and stuff there.
So we just stopped to go have a look at a scenic lookout. Come on, we'll go this way and have a look, kids. Right, so we're at near Maleny where we are. So we're gonna go check out this. Wow, look. You're gonna hold Dad's hand. Yeah?
Dad, from here I can easily think we can easily fall down and die.
No. Tell me what it is.
It's Caloundra. Caloundra and
that way. Yeah. You can see Caloundra.
Yeah, can you see what he's
right over in there. That's Bribey Island.
Bribey Island.
Yeah.
What is it? That way or that?
That way where it's pointing. It's pointing that way.
Oh.
Bit cold, Mum.
So this is Montville, the Sunshine Coast hinterland. Hi, we are at Mapleton Falls National Park. We're going to go for a great walk down to the Mapleton Falls.
Hi everyone, look at this big...
And it's cold. I was the only smart one who didn't bring a jumper.
Little hills that we were just stepping on are big for the little ants, because we're bigger than the ants. Like this one here.
Yep, up.
And down.
Down.
I slided when I went down. Mum and me are the only ones who are wearing bags. I found this. Look on the other side. Look at the waterfall.
Where is it?
Look out there.
Whoa, look how high we are, hey?
Okay, that's so high. And that's the tree.
You do.
Full of pine trees.
Look at this waterfall.
Remember when I was young, we were in the play and I was scared of heights. I'm not anymore. No, you wasn't. Well, you off then. He just said it would burn me off.
That's a cool waterfall, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just don't worry about it. What do you reckon about the waterfall?
Good.
What?
There used to be a man that used to dig holes.
Yeah, volunteers.
Why? Why did
To
he
help
do?
with the place, look.
So like plant trees and all that.
I guess so. Look how old that is. That's a waterfall years and years ago. 100 years ago. Over.
And look at this. It's so old.
Yep.
Once had a dream that there was a pool and we had a waterfall in our pool and it went down and and we had a slide and it was so fun.
What do you think of this waterfall?
It's good.
It's good?
The water from this waterfall comes from here.
Comes over there where that birdie is.
If you know, I had a dream of I stored all of this in my dream, but it was even for Dad and me without turning and calling and Mom.
Wow, look at the roots on this tree. Looks like snakes, eh?
It's like a big tail, but that's a big stickman buddy. It looks like also a snake. It's a wrong dong.
It's a wrong dong.
Yeah, wrong dong. I've been here before, but it's easily drifted, okay? You hear that water sound? It sounds like someone's peeing. Hear it? It sounds like someone's peeing.
What's that sign say?
Let me say it.
Pick-a-bean palms. Yep.
What's your step? Dangerous area. Dangerous? Dangerous. Oh. Dangerous area.
Look at this tree. Look how massive it is.
Oh. It's massive. Also, it's pretty flat. Recycling
Recycling nutrients.
Nutrients. What's this?
memory of a guy. Maybe he died on his chair.
Can't really see anything here.
If you know, back over there was a man who died in a sound, but not, you know, in the other places. That was very sad.
So me and Sophia, we're hiding behind a tree. We're gonna scare him. We're gonna try and scare him. Okay? We're gonna jump out. Let's get him, come a bit close. Ah! We scared ya.
No, you didn't.
We scared you. No, we didn't even scream.
Aw, it didn't work.
No, next time. Look at what's my mummy.
An Ant-Man. Ants are living in there. Wow, everyone, look at the trees. Listen to the bird tweets. Wonder if we could... Do it again, Dad. Do it again, Dad. You're Tarzan. He's Tarzan.
Watch out.
Dad, you're Tarzan.
Go.
On his camera.
That's so fun.
You'll go.
Hey guys, look at that tree over there. We're not going to the Great Walk. Maybe next time, but we're doing the Wampu circuit.
Hi guys, I'm Sophia. I'm 6 years old, grade 1. Also, if you know,
We're having an
we're the 5PYNES family, if you know, put the thumbs plus button and the subscribe button and the bell.
A lucky bee. Falling trees break the rainforest canopy. Light floods the rainforest floor, allowing a profusion of colonizing plants and previously dormant seedlings to grow. Eventually, the canopy gap is filled. Greater disturbance results in a longer succession sequence before the canopy is restored.
Yep. Alright, so we just finished doing that walk. What was it? 1.3 Ks? What do we all think of that, children?
Tiring.
Tiring?
Yep.
Daddy, when
How'd you go?
Good.
You liked it?
Yeah, I liked it.
What about you, Fia?
Good. I was like going like this to my rock and there was Jasper in it.
Ooh. You had a good walk?
Yeah.
Good to see the waterfall?
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, so we've just stopped. We just stopped at Maleny. We're at Maleny.
Yeah.
We're going to go to the pub and we're going to get some lunch.
Lunch.
Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Everyone's starving. Everyone's starting to be naughty because they're hungry, especially Mum.
Hello, everybody. We're at the pub. We're waiting for our food.
Everybody's ordered.
What are you doing, Dad?
Having a beer.
Cheers.
Even Mum's having a drink. Captain Morgan's. After a big day.
I got spaghetti and bolognese.
What did you get?
My favourite.
What did you get, Mum?
A meat lover's palmy.
You guys already know what I got.
Yes. What did you get?
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Tyler got a naked schnitzel.
I'm naked.
And I got the roast of the day.
We're back home, guys.
Alright, we're back home now. We're all done from our adventure today. We're just going to hang out with the dogs, have some dinner, and that's our video done, isn't it?
Like and subscribe. Press the bell.
Press the bell. Go, Sasha.